What is going on, YouTube? And welcome to the Passive Income Trucker channel. If this is your first time here, be sure you hit that subscribe button on your way in and the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload some new videos. And also, if you get value out of this content, do me a favor. Turn that thumbs up button blue for me. I greatly appreciate it. In today's video, we're going to be on day 6, I believe it is, of our Clickbank challenge series, 30-day challenge series. And we're going to log into my Clickbank account, see if we made any more money or not. And also send out a couple emails with our easy copy and paste emailing system. So if affiliate marketing and passive income is what you're looking to find out about and learn about, you're in the right place. My name is Curtis, aka all right. Welcome to day 6 of the Clickbank Challenge series. All right. First thing we're going to do is if you ain't got a Clickbank account, be sure you go and sign up for one. It's free. Not that hard to do. Plenty of videos out there showing you how to do it if you want to know. So we're logging into today's account, and it looks like we hadn't made any more sales on day 6, but that's fine. There's still time. Still got, what do we got, 24 days left in the month. So we're gonna go ahead and go over to our easy copy and paste email system, which is My Lead Gen Secrets. And if you ain't got one of these accounts, I suggest you get signed up for one. And I also recommend at least 2 to start off with. But if you can't afford it, one's to start, once a week, get you one. The system's really easy to use. It holds on to all your emails. I've got 5 accounts. And personally, if you could afford it, I would go ahead and get 5 accounts because that just helps your leads triple and double and quadruple and all that and can make you some more money. All right, so we're going to go into this, the home page here, and then the mailing system. And we're going to select all. We got 22,300 leads in here. Now, before we get too far into this, I'm going to show you there's a subject line here for your email. And this is the body of the email. So, what you can do is go back to Clickbank. Go to Marketplace. And make sure when you go in the Marketplace that you're on your username or nickname, whatever it is that you set up for your account, and go to e-business and e-marketing. All right, now we're going to go to Gravity. This gives you the best selling ones on the first 2 pages and the top selling ones on the first page. So right now we've actually got a new one at the top here, but we're on the second one right at the moment, sending out our emails for it. The emails are provided by the vendor, so that's what we're going to be using to put in our emailing system, or My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, when you go here, put it to open link in new tab, and that way it'll come up like this here. You want to leave this main page, Marketplace, open. All right, now we're going to go to our email swipes. And let's see, what did I say we was on day 6? Let's see. And I think I've actually already sent that out on 2 of the accounts. So we're going to go to, where was it? Go back up to let's go to day 7. I think I sent that one out too. I may be a little behind. All right. Yeah, let's go with this one. The 150-day uploading Instagram pics. So, what you want to do is copy your subject line. Just like that. Highlight it, copy it. Go back to your mailing system. And let's put that in there. I'm going to change this a little bit. Just make it sound a little better. Let's copy the first name link short code here, bracket to bracket, so it looks right. And we're going to say, we're going to paste that in there. Let me fix this right quick. It's back. All right. And let's say wants to pay. Pay you $150 a day uploading Instagram pic. Well, wait a minute. That don't make no sense. Let's take that back out and put it at the end here. There we go. And make sure when you put these short codes in, you space it away from everything else so it works right, because otherwise it won't. We're going to put Instagram at the front here. Instagram wants to pay you $150 a day uploading Instagram pics. We'll just take that out. All right. Instagram wants to pay you $150 a day uploading pics and whatever your name is, Chris, David. All right, so we got that done. Now we're going to delete this out of the body, go back to our affiliates page here. We're going to copy this. And let's go downwards here. Down to the signature. Don't worry about these at the bottom. You don't need them. That's why we left this main page for Clickbank open. Copy. Then we're going to go back to the mailing system. And let's do it the easy way. Control V. There we go. Change this short code. Delete that out of there. Go back up, get your first name short code. Like I said, bracket to bracket. Gotta have them both. And I didn't copy it, did I? Copy. There we go. Paste it in. There we go. All right, now we got country in right here. This is a short code, but My Lead Gen Secrets does not have a short code for it, so we're going to take it out and put in from your area. All right. To apply to this Instagram job, and all you have to do is upload pics to the company's Instagram account, and you can pocket 150 days. If you're interested, you need to apply before the application deadline at midnight tonight. Hit the link below to apply now. Some details about this job, yada yada yada. This is just an example. New York Bagel Company. Just download the pics email, then you upload them to their Instagram account. Sounds easy enough, right? Pays up to $150 a day. Go to the link below to apply now. Anywhere in the locations anywhere in the world, but especially people from your country. So we got to take that out again and put from your area. Your area. All right, that's fixed. Requirement: smartphone, tablet, computer, internet connection, 3+ hours a week. Necessary experience, none required. Full training given. If you ever want to break into social media online world, work world, this is the best bet. Most people have to intern for free for months, but you can start with this paid position right out of the gate. Click here to apply now. Okay. Right here is where we're going to put our link. Go to the chain link icon. Now, this is why we left the main part of this one open. We're going to hit promote. But now if you want to track it, just put MLGS and generate hot links. Now you can close this down because you won't need it no more. Go back to your mailing system, paste it there, hit OK. And this is my little thing here I like to do just to get better attention to the link. I just turned the text white and the box red. That's all I did. Now we're going to put my signature or your name. Chris Pearson. And that's pretty much it. That's all you got to do. Hit perfect timing. Now, this perfect timing, it says we can now predict the optimal delivery hour of the day for each of your leads. In a nutshell, it's a time slot when a subscriber is most likely to open and click your emails based on historical activity, which means they pretty much know when people open their emails or around about the time. And they can deliver it during the sweet spot, landing on the top of their mailbox and boosting opens and clicks. So that way, it don't matter what time of day you send the email, they send it to them when they think they're going to open it. So can't beat that. It's about like an autoresponder that you set up, which you don't need because you have plenty of emails in here once you build it up. I've had this account since about the 1st of October, I believe. Let's see what the dates. 10/2. Yeah, 10/2 is when I've had this. And I'm daisy chained under myself with these other accounts, which gives me 200 leads per day. And that's all I get for every 24 hours. That's all you will get for every 24 hours, whether you are daisy chained under yourself or have somebody else sign up under you. Now, the commissions on this system itself, if you want to promote it through the system, is only $5. It's not a whole lot, but some people can rack it up, if that's all they want to promote. But we're doing this Clickbank challenge just to see what we can make in the next 30 days with this and 5 accounts. That's $5 a day, $150 a month. That's what I'm paying for all 5 accounts. Now, one account would be $30 a month, $1 a day. So, but the more accounts you got, the more leads you get. The more, if you get them 200 a day, even better. So this one's ready to send out. We're going to send it out. Now, you can do this before or after, it doesn't really matter. Just go back to your body, copy this, and then what you want to do is open up another account if you got one. And when it opens up the other account on the next page, it's actually going to be opened in that first account. So what you want to do is log out. It'll still leave this one logged in, but this one you can go log into your next account. And see right here. There we go. That's my second account. Go to the mailing system. Select all leads. And we're going to go down to the body since I think I got it copied in first. I do. There we go. See everything. Well, got an error right there. We're going to fix that right quick. And all right. I got Grammarly on here to help me work on these emails a little better, so that's an idea for you if you ain't got it. It's free. Let's see. All right, I'm going to leave that alone. And we're going to go ahead and do my text link here. White and red. There we go. Perfect timing. Now, I know I didn't do it on that first one, but I suggest you go ahead and preview it before you send it. Like right here, it's not showing the subject line, which reminds me that I forgot to put it in. So we'll go back up here, go back to your first one. That's why you want to leave this one open. You can just click this 3 times, right click it, left click it 3 times, copy, because that highlight it all at once. Go back and paste it. And you're done. That's it. That's all there is to this. Set you up a time every day to do it, whether it be morning, before you go to work, during your lunch break, while the boss ain't looking, whatever the case may be. Just take about 15, 20 minutes. Send these out every day, and that's all it is. Now, I'm going to tell you, it's not going to happen overnight, though. See, in this account, I've had since 10/4. I got it 2 days after the first one, so I got 19,500 leads. And it's getting 200 because I've got the third account under it, but we're not going to go through all that. I think you pretty much get the idea. But in affiliate marketing, and when you're promoting stuff, it's all about getting eyeballs on the stuff you're promoting. The more eyeballs you can get on it, the better off you are, the more sales you can make. But it takes time to build up. Like, even like an email list in an autoresponder, it takes time to build up. And I was also going to show you that in all these leads, see, all these 200 leads, 100 and 200 leads I'm getting every single day, they can be transferred into an email responder. You can download them into a CVX file and move them into an email responder like GetResponse. I don't think Aweber likes it, but GetResponse, you can do 100, 200, 300 a day. And as long as you got the amount of leads, or I should say the type of account that you need to put the amount of leads in it that you want, you can upload them into that and send them out your own emails instead of using Clickbank or send them out to some of your own products or whatever the case may be. So that's about it in a nutshell. And I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments below. And also, if you hadn't subscribed yet, please do so. If you get value out of this content, hit that thumbs up, like button for me. I appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one.